In this video, I'll show you the best fixes to resolve the cannot update the game. A file is currently in use error in League of Legends, so you can get your game patched successfully. The most common cause of this error is that the Riot client or League of Legends is still running in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key to open Task Manager, click More Details if necessary, and look for any of these processes: League of Legends, Riot Client, Services, exe, Riot Client yux.exe, Riot Client yux, render.exe, or League Client.exe. Right-click each one and select End Task. Once everything is closed, launch the Riot Client again and try updating. If that doesn't work, restart your computer. Sometimes Windows keeps certain files locked even after you've closed the game. After restarting, avoid opening any unnecessary applications, then open the Riot client and try updating again. Still stuck? Insufficient permissions can prevent the updater from replacing game files, so try running the Riot client as administrator. Close the Riot client completely, right-click its shortcut, select Run as Administrator, and accept the user account control prompt. Then try the update again. If that doesn't fix it, some antivirus programs mistakenly block League's update files. Temporarily disable your antivirus or real-time protection. If you're using Windows Security, open it, go to Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, and turn off real-time protection. Launch the Riot client and check if the update completes, then remember to turn your antivirus back on afterward. Next, try clearing the Riot client cache, since a corrupted cache can also cause update problems. Close every Riot-related process, press Windows plus R, type %localappdata%, and press Enter. Delete the Riot Games folder if it exists. Empty the recycle bin, then restart the Riot client so it can recreate fresh cache files automatically. If the issue persists, open the Riot client, locate League of Legends, and use the Settings or Repair option if available to repair the game files. Once that finishes, try updating again. It's also worth deleting the lock file, since the League client sometimes creates one that remains after an improper shutdown. Navigate to your League installation folder, usually C++ Riot Games, League of Legends. Find the file named lockfile and delete it. Then reopen the Riot client and check for updates. Don't forget to check your available disk space too, since League updates require free storage. Open this PC and verify the drive containing League of Legends has several gigabytes free. If it's nearly full, delete unnecessary files, empty the recycle bin, and run disk cleanup before retrying. Finally, certain background software can interfere with Riot's updater. Temporarily close programs like MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner Statistics Server, Discord Overlay, Overwolf, RGB software, third-party antivirus tools, or screen recording software, then try updating again. That's it. I hope one of these solutions fixed the update error for you.